Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video.
Welcome to a journey that begins over 2,000 years ago with our star of the day, sauerkraut. A humble mix of cabbage and salt sauerkraut, meaning sour cabbage in German, has roots that stretch far back into the annals of history. Our story begins in the Great Wall era of China, where it is believed that laborers ate fermented cabbage to endure the grueling work. When the Mongols, under the leadership of Genghis Khan, invaded China around the 13th century, they brought this fermented cabbage dish with them as they marched westward. As they journeyed into Europe, this fermented food found a home in the hearty cuisine of Germany. The Germans took to this tangy dish with gusto, giving it the name we know today, sauerkraut. Over the centuries, it became a staple in their diet, loved for its unique sour taste and versatility in dishes. From being paired with sausages to being folded into stews, sauerkraut found its way into the heart of German culinary tradition. But the influence of sauerkraut didn't stop at Germany. It spread across Europe and even sailed the seas. In the 18th century, Captain James Cook loaded his ship with barrels of sauerkraut to fight scurvy during his long voyages. The vitamin C-rich sauerkraut proved to be a lifesaver, warding off the disease caused by vitamin C deficiency. Back on land, sauerkraut continued to be a culinary and cultural symbol. In Eastern European countries like Poland and Ukraine, it became a key ingredient in traditional dishes like bigos and kapusniak. In the United States, German immigrants brought sauerkraut with them, integrating it into the American culinary landscape. Today, this fermented cabbage wonder is celebrated globally, not just for its taste and versatility, but also for its health benefits. From a simple laborer's meal to a global superfood, sauerkraut's journey through history is as rich and diverse as its flavor. Now that we have explored the rich history of sauerkraut, let us delve into its remarkable health benefits. First on our list of health benefits, sauerkraut is a digestive dynamo. Thanks to the miracle of fermentation, simple cabbage is transformed into a probiotic-rich superfood. These probiotics are similar to the beneficial microorganisms naturally found in our gut. They play a crucial role in breaking down our food and aiding in nutrient absorption. But the benefits don't stop there. Regularly enjoying sauerkraut can diversify your gut flora, giving your digestive system a friendly boost. This can lead to improved bowel regularity and overall digestive health. Even those who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome may find relief, as indicated by a study coming out of Norway. So whether you're adding it to a sandwich, a salad, or enjoying it straight from the jar, sauerkraut is more than just a tangy treat. It's a way to nourish your body and support your digestive health. With sauerkraut, your digestive system gets a friendly boost. Sauerkraut doesn't stop at digestion, it's also an immune booster. This humble fermented cabbage is a superhero in disguise, its powers hidden in its rich probiotic content. These friendly bacteria strengthen your immune system, and that's a big deal because a significant part of your immune system resides right in your gut. These probiotics play a crucial role by bolstering the integrity of your gut barrier, acting as a shield against harmful pathogens. But the immune-enhancing benefits of sauerkraut don't end there. This superfood is also packed with vitamin C and iron, two essential nutrients that help your body fend off infections and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, while iron is vital for the production of healthy immune cells. So, the next time you're looking for a simple way to give your immune system a boost, remember your friend, sauerkraut. Boosting your immune system is as easy as adding sauerkraut to your meal. Looking to manage your weight? Turn to sauerkraut. This fermented wonder is low in calories yet high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for those striving for a healthier weight. The fiber fills you up, helping to control your appetite, while the low-calorie content ensures you're not adding unnecessary extras to your diet. But it doesn't stop there. The probiotics found in sauerkraut might play a role in weight management too. They could influence your body's fat storage and even alter hormone levels linked to hunger. So by adding sauerkraut to your meals, you're not just enjoying a tangy treat, but you're also supporting your body's metabolic health. And let's not forget a diverse and healthy gut flora, which sauerkraut promotes, is associated with a healthier weight. So the next time you're crafting a meal plan, remember to include this humble cabbage concoction. Sauerkraut could be your new weight loss friend. Our heart health hero, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than sauerkraut. This fermented delight does more than just tickle your taste buds. It's a cardiovascular champion, packed with fiber that works to reduce bad LDL cholesterol, a known culprit in heart disease. Let's talk about the role of fiber. Think of it as a broom, sweeping away the unwanted LDL cholesterol that can clog up your arteries. Less LDL cholesterol means a lower risk of heart disease. It's a simple equation for a healthier heart. Sauerkraut doesn't stop there. It's also rich in probiotics, which contribute to a healthy cholesterol metabolism. These little warriors work alongside fiber, helping your body process and eliminate cholesterol more efficiently. And we can't forget about vitamin K2, another sauerkraut superstar. Vitamin K2 works to prevent calcium deposits in the arteries, a common factor in heart disease. It's like a guardian of your arteries, keeping them clear and healthy. Keep your heart healthy with a serving of sauerkraut. Your heart will thank you for it. Sauerkraut isn't just about physical health, it supports mental wellness too. Let's venture into the fascinating world of the gut-brain axis, a direct line of communication between your gut and your brain. This connection is a two-way street, with your gut influencing your brain as much as your brain influences your gut. Now, sauerkraut comes into play here with its rich probiotic content. These probiotics are like the friendly neighbors in your gut community, helping to keep things balanced and harmonious. They have a role in regulating neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers that influence our mood. By helping to balance these neurotransmitters, probiotics can contribute to improved mental wellness. So, when you're feeling down or stressed, a serving of sauerkraut might be just what you need. It's not just comfort food, it's smart food, supporting your brain and mood through your gut. For a mood boost, look no further than sauerkraut. Now let's get hands-on and learn how to make our own sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a culinary delight with a rich history, but the best part is, you can easily make it right in your kitchen. All you need are two simple ingredients: cabbage and sea salt. That's right, just cabbage and sea salt. No preservatives, no additives, just pure, wholesome ingredients. Start by choosing a fresh, firm head of cabbage. You can use green or red cabbage depending on your preference. Cut the cabbage into quarters, remove the core, and then slice it finely. You want it to be thin, but not too thin, just enough to allow the salt to penetrate the cabbage and start the fermentation process. Once you've sliced your cabbage, it's time to add the sea salt. For every 2 pounds of cabbage, you'll need about 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Sprinkle the salt over the sliced cabbage and then get your hands in there. Massage the salt into the cabbage. This is an important step as it helps to draw out the water from the cabbage, creating the brine in which it will ferment. After you've massaged the salt into the cabbage, pack it tightly into a clean glass jar. Press the cabbage down until the brine rises above it. This is crucial for the fermentation process. The cabbage needs to be submerged in the brine to ferment properly and prevent unwanted mold. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Cover the jar with a cloth or a fermentation airlock lid and let it sit at room temperature. The fermentation process can take anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on how tangy you like your sauerkraut. Once it's to your liking, store it in the fridge to slow down the fermentation, and there you have it, homemade sauerkraut. With just cabbage, sea salt, and a little patience, you have a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. This simple recipe delivers a wealth of health benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting immunity, all while adding a tangy kick to your dishes. With this easy recipe, you can enjoy homemade sauerkraut and its health benefits anytime. As we wrap up, it's clear that sauerkraut is more than just a side dish. It's a health-boosting superfood, a centuries-old secret unlocked. With its power to improve digestion, it's a dynamo for your gut, aiding in nutrient absorption and supporting bowel regularity. Beyond digestion, sauerkraut steps up as an immune booster, fortifying your defenses from within. It also lends a helping hand in weight management, with its low-calorie, high-fiber profile controlling appetite and improving metabolic health. Let's not forget sauerkraut's role in heart health, reducing bad cholesterol and promoting arterial wellness. And lastly, it's a supporter of mental well-being, with its probiotics influencing mood-enhancing neurotransmitters. So why not give sauerkraut a place at your table? It's an easy addition that can lead to significant health improvements. Unleash the power of sauerkraut in your daily diet and experience its health-boosting wonders. Until next time, stay healthy.